NASA has dozens of robotic spacecraft exploring our solar system and beyond. Scientists and engineers communicate with and navigate faraway spacecraft using the Deep Space Network, NASA's international collection of giant radio antennas used to communicate with spacecraft at the Moon and beyond. But the Deep Space Network, or DSN, is more than just a messaging service. In fact, scientists use the DSN to perform radio and gravity science experiments. But what is radio and gravity science, and how can it help us learn more about the planets, moons, and other small bodies in our solar system? We're all familiar with gravity. It's the force by which an object attracts other objects, such as a planet pulling a spacecraft toward it. Gravity is also the force that keeps all of the planets in orbit around the Sun. Here on Earth, we experience this every day. If you drop an object, it will accelerate toward the ground because Earth's gravity causes it to fall faster and faster, and the acceleration of a spacecraft toward a planet depends on the mass of the planet. Less mass means less gravitational pull. These properties of gravity, combined with our understanding of radio waves, help us use gravity to study other planetary bodies.